Okay children, now we are going to do a very interesting exercise children. Let's see here, very colorful picture, isn't it? Okay, now we are going to write the beginning letter and the ending letter. Okay, we are going to write the beginning sound of the letter and ending sound of the each word. Now listen, what is this? The picture shows what is this? Leg. What is this? Leg. What is the sound you are getting? The beginning sound? L. L. Yes. L. Okay. Now just listen. Leg. G. Leg. G. Okay. Okay. Now listen. What is this? Yes. It is fan. Okay. Tell me. Yes. Just now we have saw about the words fan. Isn't it? Just now we have saw about the letters about fan. Okay, just remember that and tell me fan. Yes, very good children. We have to put F here and we have to put N here. Fan. Okay. Now just listen, see here. What is this? This is nuts, isn't it? This is nut. Okay. N. Very good. N. Okay. T. Nut. Nut. Okay. What the sound? Ending sound you get? T. Very good. The sound of the letter T. Nut. Okay, now listen children. See here children. You are seeing the very beautiful dog. Very good. Tell me loudly. Dog. Okay, what is the start beginning sound? D. Yes, this is D. And the ending sound is dog. Dog. G. Here see leg. G. So we have put an G. So what is the sound of G? G. Okay, G gives the sound G. Okay, now next move to this picture. What is this? Yes, this is pig. Pig. Yes, P. Beginning sound is pig. Okay, now the ending sound is ig. Yig. Very good. G. Okay, now listen children. What is this? Yes, this is bed. What is this? This is bed. Okay, what is the starting sound? B. B. Yes, very good. I'm just putting B here. And the ending sound is bed. Bed. D. Id. Yes, D sound. Okay, children. Now you got it. This is leg. L-E-G. Leg. This is fan. F-A-N. Fan. This is nut. N-U-T. Nut. And this is dog. D-O-G. Dog. This is pig. P-I-G. Pig. This is bed. B-E-D. Bed. Did you enjoy this activity children? Did you remember it? Okay. Each time we have to revise about the sound of the each letter. Now I am recalling the sound of the each letter. Then I am going to the next activity children. Okay children, did you enjoy the activities? Okay, now you remember the sound of the each letter. Okay, by recalling the sound of the each letter, now we are going to do one more very interesting exercise children. Let's see the exercise. Okay, what is the sound of the letter A? This is A, and what is the sound of the letter A? A. Very good. Now I am keeping M here, then it sounds like A, am. Okay children, listen carefully. The sound of the letter A is A, and the sound of the letter M is am. Okay, listen children, listen carefully. And the sound of the letter A is and the sound of the letter M is What is the sound of the letters A and M? Very good children. Now tell me bye to the letter M. Now I am going to keep a yes here. Okay, now tell me, you know already, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter A? What is the sound of the letter A? What is the sound of the letter S? Sh. What is the sound of the letter S? Sh. As. Okay. Now I am keeping letter P here. What is you already know the sound of the letter A sounds A, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter P? P. Up. app, app, A-P-P, apple, isn't it? A-P-P-L-E, apple. You're getting the sound, isn't it? A-P, app, app. Okay. Now I'm keeping the next letter G. A, g, ag, ag, ag. Okay. Now I'm keeping the letter D, isn't it? I'm keeping the letter D. Ad, 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 ad. Okay, children, listen carefully. We have seen the sound of the letter A, and the first we have seen the letter M, and it sounds like am, am. Okay, next children, next we have keepen the letter S, and it sounds like as, as. And we have keepen letter G, and it sounds ag, ag, ag. Very nice, children. And the letter P sounds like app, app, app. Okay, children, now we got the sound of the each letter, and we have to join the sound of the each letter, and we have to pronounce it. Okay, we have in before we have to see the single sound of the single letter. Now we are joining the sound of the two letters like a, app, app. Okay, let's see one more activities, children. Okay, children, now we are going to do a very beautiful exercise. See, children, here there are a very wonderful pictures are here, isn't it? Okay, now we are going to put a circle for the start with yes sound. Okay, we are going to make a circle which start with yes sound. See here, what is this? This is banana. Okay, but it does not start with yes sound, isn't it? Next, what is this? Apple, isn't it? Apple. Do you hearing any S sound? No. Okay, now let's just get to hear. What is this? This is balloon. Balloon. Okay, do you hearing any S sound? No. Yes. What is this? This is ball. Do you hearing any S sound? No. Very good. Yes. What is this? Yes. This is star. Star. Do you hearing any S sound? Yes. Shall I put a circle? Yes. Shall we sing a song and put a circle? Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Okay, we have put a circle to the star. Okay, now just go to here. What is this? Sun. Sun. Do you hearing any S sound? Yes. Shall I put a circle here? Yes. Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Okay, very nice. Okay, when will you see the sun? Yes, at morning time you will see the sun. At the night time you will see the wonderful stars in the sky, isn't it? Okay, next coming to this picture, what is this? This is arrow. Arrow. Do you hearing any S sound? No. Okay, now we are going to circle the picture which starts from A sound. Okay, we are going to make a circle the picture which having the A sound. Okay, okay, let's listen to here. What is this? This is banana. Do you hearing any R sound? No. And what is this? This is apple. Apple. Do you hearing any A sound? Yes. Shall I put a circle here? Very nice. I'm just putting the circle here. Okay, now coming to the next picture here. What is this? This is balloon. Balloon. Do you hearing any A sound? No. Very good. What is this? This is ball. Ball. Do you hearing any A sound? No. Yes. Did you hearing any A sound? No. Okay, next I'm coming to here. What is this? This is arrow. Arrow. Do you hearing any A sound? Yes. Shall I put a circle here? Yes, I'm just putting the circle here. Okay, next there are 3 pictures left over, isn't it? There are 3 pictures left over it. Okay, we are going to make a circle which have a B sound. Okay, we are going to make a circle which having the B sound. Okay, now tell me, what is this picture? Banana. Banana. Okay, shall I put a circle here? Do you hearing a B sound, isn't it? Isn't it or not? Yes, do you hearing a B sound? Shall I put a circle here? Yes, very good. Now just coming to here, what is this? This is ball. Ball. Do you hearing any B sound? Yes, you are hearing a B sound. Shall I put a circle here? Okay, now move on to this picture, the last picture. And what is this? This is balloon. Balloon. Do you hearing any B sound? Yes. Shall I put a circle? Very good, children. I think now you are doing very well. Okay, did you enjoy this activity? Yes. Okay, now let's move on to the next 2-letter word, children. Okay, children, now we are going to see the next 2-letter words. Okay, now tell me, what is the sound of the letter E? Yay. What is the sound of the letter E? Yay. Okay, I'm having just 4 letters here. Okay, first tell me the sound of each letter. Okay, just tell me the sound of each letter. Okay, tell me what is the sound of the letter T? T. What is the sound of the letter T? T. Very good. Next, what is the sound of the letter D? D. What is the sound of the letter D? D. Very nice, children. Now tell me, what is the sound of the letter N? N. What is the sound of the letter N? N. Okay, children. Now move on to the next letter. What is the sound of the G? Letter G. G. What is the sound of the letter G? G. Okay. Now tell me, what is the sound of the letter E? A. What is the sound of the letter E? A. Very good. Now I'm keeping A here. Now I'm keeping the T. Okay, isn't it? I'm keeping the T here. What is the sound of the letters E and T? Eat. 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 Yes, isn't it? A, T, it. A, T, it. A, T, it. A, T, it. Okay, just listen. Now one more time I'm telling what is the sound of the letter E? A. Okay, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter E? A, T, at, at. Okay, now I'm keeping letter D here. Add. Okay, I'm keeping D here. What is the sound of the letter E and D? E and D sounds like add. Okay, now I'm keeping N here. The sound of the letter E and N is N. Okay, the sound of the letters E and N is N. Okay, now I'm moving to the next letter G. What is the sound of the letter G? G. What is the sound of the letter G? G. Okay, now tell me, what is the sound of the 2-letter E and G? Egg. Okay, now tell me, what is the sound of the letter E? A. Isn't it? What is the sound of the letter G? G. Okay, now just combine each letter. Okay. Okay, children, did you got it? Okay, now tell me one more time, what is the sound of the letter E? A. Isn't it? A. Okay, first I kept the N. Yes. Now then I keep the letter T. At. Then I keep the letter G. Egg. Very good. Now then I keep the letter B. D. Ed. Okay, isn't it, children? Did you got it? Okay, now I'm going to tell about next set of 2-letter words. Let's see the next set of 2-letter words, children. Okay, now here, what is the sound of the letter I? E. Isn't it? What is the sound of the letter I? E. Okay, now I'm going to keep the letter D here. Okay, now tell me correctly, what is the sound of the letters I and D? Eid. Isn't it, children? Okay, now I'm keeping the letter P. Okay, now just tell me. E, p, ip, 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 ip. Okay, now I'm keeping the letter B here. Now tell me correctly. Ib, 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 ib. Okay, now I'm keeping the letter T here. What is the sound of the T? T. S. I. What is the sound of the letter I? E. E. Eat. Eat. It. It. What is the sound of the letter I N T? It. 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 Okay, what is the sound of the letter I N T? It. It. Very nice, children. Now I'm going to keep the letter N. Okay, what is the sound of the letter N? N. Okay, I've told you already. No, the N comes at the end of the word. We have to pronounce it N, isn't it? If the N comes before, N comes at the starting, we have to pronounce it like Na. If the N comes N, then we should pronounce it like In, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of the I? E. E, in, in. E, in. I, N, in. Okay, just tell me one more time. What is the sound of the letter I? E. What is the sound of the letter N? In. Okay, children? Okay, now I'm keeping the letter G. Okay, now tell me correctly. What is the sound of the letter G? G. Ig. 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 Okay, now tell me one more time. Ig. 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 Okay, what is the sound of the letter I? E, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter G? G. Yig. Yig. Okay, I, G, yig. Okay, we have it seen so far. We haven't seen about the two-letter word which starts with I, isn't it? Which start with I. First one, D, yid, isn't it? Okay, next one, P, ip. Next one, B, ib. And next one, T, yid. And next one, G, ig. And the last one, N, yin. Okay, now we are going to see about next set of two-letter words which starts with letter O. Okay, children, now we are going to see about the next two-letter word which starts with O. Now let's see the sound of the letter O. The sound of the letter O is A-O. A-O. We should open your mouth like A and should be end with O. A-O. Okay, now I am going to keep a T here. Okay, what is the sound of the letter T? T. T. Ot. T. Ot. Now I am keeping letter B here, isn't it? What is the sound of the letter O? A-O. What is the sound of the letter B? Ab. 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 Okay, what is the sound of the letter B? Ba, isn't it? Ba. Now what is the sound of the letter O? A-O. A-O. O. B. Ob. 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 Okay, now I am going to keep the next letter G. Og. 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 Okay, what is the sound of the letter O? Ow. What is the sound of the letter G? G. Og. 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 Okay, now I am going to keep the next letter F. F. Off. 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 Okay, now listen carefully, children. O. F. Off. O. F. Off. Now I am going to keep a next letter D. What is the sound of the letters O and D? Odd. 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 Okay, now one more time I am just revising, children. Please listen carefully. I kept a T here and it sounds odd. Then I kept letter B here and it sounds ob. Ob. Then I keep the letter D and it sounds odd. Odd. Next I keep the letter F and it sounds off. Off. Then I keep the letter G and it sounds og. Og. Okay, children? Okay, did you enjoy the two-letter words which starts from M? Okay children, now you are becoming very lazy and some of them are lying and seeing the video, isn't it? Okay, it's not looking very nice. Okay, it's not looking very nice. So shall I do some exercise? Okay, shall we jump, stand and sit? Okay children, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Okay, stand, 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 sit, stand, stand, sit, 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 sit down, stand, sit, stand, sit, jump, 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 stand, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit down. Okay children, well done. Now you got cheer up. Okay, now we are moving to next two letter word which starts with U.